I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to legitimately acquire multiple pets in Muscle Legends. It's important to understand that true duplication usually involves unofficial glitches or exploits. These methods are not supported by the game developers and can put your account at risk, potentially leading to bans or the loss of your hard-earned pets. We strongly advise against using any such exploits. Instead, let's focus on the official and safe ways to expand your pet collection and enhance your gameplay experience. Hatching eggs is your go-to strategy for expanding your pet roster. Each gym in Muscle Legends features unique crystals or eggs, offering a diverse range of pets. As you progress to more advanced gyms, you'll unlock access to higher-tier eggs, which have a greater chance of yielding rare and powerful pets. Remember to strategically use your hard-earned gems to purchase these premium eggs, maximizing your opportunities to get the best companions for your journey. Trading with other players is an excellent way to target specific pets you want for your collection. Before making any trades, it's wise to understand the current market values of different pets within the Muscle Legends community. This knowledge will help you secure fair and beneficial deals. You might also notice some players specifically looking for pets with 0 experience points, as these are sometimes used for particular in-game strategies, which can influence trading dynamics. Beyond simply acquiring pets, maximizing their individual strength is crucial. Dedicate time to leveling up your pets through consistent training and earning experience points. As your pets grow, look for opportunities to evolve them, transforming them into more powerful versions with improved stats and unique abilities. By strategically equipping a team of your strongest pets, you can achieve significant boosts to your character's overall power, helping you dominate in Muscle Legends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.